Hey guys, I have this balloon and it's not even blown up, and I'm gonna be blowing it up to make some weird noises with it. I should have stretched this balloon before I made the video, shouldn't I have? I don't care, I'm not going to. This balloon isn't even stretched. Now let's do it. Oh my god, that was awful. That sounds like a Bop It jump scare. Now it sounds like a dying cat. Now it sounds like a fart. The balloon's not even fully deflated yet. Here we go. First, let's squeak it. Crap. Oh my god, that was loud. Let's do it again. Gonna get it really big. Oh. Alright, it's kind of big. Now I'm gonna be tweaking it. Now I'm gonna let it there. Crap. Hang on. It's not working. Oh my god. One more time. Here we go. Work. This one doesn't like to work. Crap.